Daily routine use action verbs. Iron, iron. I am ironing the clothes. Run, run. I am running on the road. Eat, eat. I am eating my dinner. Walk, walk. I am walking in my lawn. Wink, wink. The stars are winking in the night sky. Fall, fall. Leaves are falling in the autumn. Sweep, sweep. Nancy is sweeping on the floor. Mop, mop. Hadi is mopping on the floor. Brush, brush. I am brushing my teeth twice a day. Yawn, yawn. I am yawning when I sleep late. Tired, tired. I feel so tired because of workload. Chew, chew. I am chewing my food. Lick, lick. I lick my favorite ice cream. Sink, sink. The ship was sinking in the water. Float, float. I am floating on the pool. Watch, watch. I am watching my favorite show. Wash, wash. I wash my hands after eat dinner. Swim, swim. My friend swims when he is free. Drone, drone. My uncle was droning almost, but now he is alive. Knock, knock. He is knocking the office door. Crawl, crawl. My baby sister crawling on the floor. Sew, sew. She is sewing my clothes. Skate, skate. He is skating on the ice floor. Slide, slide. I am sliding from slider. Hang, hang. I am hanging out my clothes. Listen, listen. She listens her teacher's advice. Fold, fold. My mom folds my clothes. Hug, hug. My mother hugged me when I came at home. Kiss, kiss. My father kissed me tightly. Spit, spit. Don't spit on the floor. Collect. Collect. I collect many bottles. Study. Study. We are studying because my exams are coming. Bath. Bath. I take a bath daily. Cook. Cook. I am cooking delicious food. Pluck. Pluck. He wants to pluck some apples. Mend. Mend. Cobbler is mending my shoes. Make. Make. I make my new assignment. Jump. Jump. Do not jump on the bed. Cry. Cry. She is crying for her candy. Laugh. Laugh. He is laughing on her joke. Think. Think. I am thinking too much. Play. Play. I am playing with my friends. Read. Read. She is reading a book. Write. Write. I am writing my notes. Dance. Dance. She is dancing on the party. Ride. Ride. He is riding very fast. Drive. Drive. My father drives on the roadside. Fight. Fight. She is fighting with him. Climb. Climb. He is climbing on the tree. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep on my time. Sink. Sink. She is singing song very nicely. Teach. Teach. My teacher teaches us English. Clap. Clap. All are clapping for his good performance. Do exercise. Do exercise. I should do exercise daily. Work. Work. She is working hard. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.